wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name is Riwah Nuni Yusuf, and the majoring in the Unpad Nutrition and Dietetics. In this video, I will present or review the contents of the storyboard according to select article. My article on the storyboard is a brief story of avocado. Avocado plant is a fruit plant in the form of the tree with the name of the alpukat, West Java. Avocado is Java or Central Java, buah pokat. Jambu pokat, bata, advocate, jambu butter, jambu poan, pokat lampung, and others. Avocado plants come from the lowlands or highlands of Central America and estimated to enter Indonesia in 18 years country. Officially between 1920 to 1930, Indonesia has introduced 20 avocado varieties from Central America and the United States to obtain superior varieties in the order improve community health and nutrition, especially in the highlands. Type of plants. The complete classification of avocado plants is as follows. Division: Spermatophyta. Child division: Angiosperms. Class: Dicotyledonea. Nation: Renalis. Family: Lauraceae. Marga: Persea. Variety: Persea americana mild. Based on ecological properties, avocado plants consist of three types of offspring or ranges. Benefits of avocado. Persea americana is the Latin name of an avocado that originates from Mexico and Central America. Avocado have many benefits for humans. No wonder the avocado is a very popular fruit. The popularity of avocado not only because of the taste, but also because of their health benefits. The following benefits of avocado for health. 1. Can help lose weight. There is some evidence that avocados are food that can lose weight. In one study, people who avocados would feel 23% more full and have a 28% lower desire to eat the next 5 hours compared to people who did not consume the food. If this is true in the long run, the incorporating avocados in your diet can help you eat fewer calories. Avocado are also high fiber and very low carbohydrate. And 2. Reduce stress. Fruit is usually converted into a drink in the form of juice turned out to be quick, effective in relieving stress. First, avocado are rich in vitamin B. This B vitamin content is able to eliminate stress in humans. In addition, avocado contains glutathione, which is a compound that blocks fat absorption in the body. And 3. Can help pregnant women stay healthy during pregnancy. Avocado are also good for consumption by pregnant women because they contain a variety of nutrition ranging from protein. If pregnant women are quite consistent in consuming avocado, it will provide a variety of positive benefits such as 1. Prevents the occurrence of nerve effects in the fetus. 2. Optimizes fetal bone growth and prevents deformity or disruption in the bone structure and the teeth. So, the conclusion is the avocado have a benefit, can help lose weight, reduce stress, and can help pregnant women stay healthy during pregnancy. And many other health wise. 1. Prevent cancer risk, preventing heart pain, maintaining a health, preventing the risk of diabetes, lowers cholesterol, and much more. Okay, don't forget to consume avocado fruit. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.